During the G20 finance ministers and the central bank governors meeting last week, G20 officials agreed that the Sustainable Finance Study Group will be upgraded to a working group, co-chaired by China and the United States. Do you believe that the US-China cooperation could help the G20 deliver more results in green finance?
Having the two largest economies cooperating on sustainable finance is a very positive step in a world that is taking on transformation primarily because of the pressures that are coming from climate risks, but also to make sure that social and environmental issues are well integrated in investment strategies. What we expect is that the G20 will come up with a clear roadmap for how sustainable finance can more deeply be integrated in financial systems. And the immediate objectives are those that we very strongly support. One, standardized reporting. Two, taxonomies. Three, the role of international financial institutions in sustainable finance. And we will be, of course, engaged in providing technical support as the work moves forward, work we welcome very much.